Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Alright, so today I'm taking a look at my very first Gotham Crate Tactical and EDC subscription box. And since this is my very first time checking these guys out, I'm not really sure what to expect, so let's check it out. Alright, so if you guys aren't familiar with Gotham Crate like I wasn't, it is a quarterly subscription box with the best tactical, mission critical, and everyday carry gear for anyone that has ever worn body armor or wanted to, and for great enthusiasts alike. That's awesome. So you can see I'm right on their website, and if you guys want to order one for yourself, you can see how easy it is. It just says subscribe, register online, and get started for only $99.99 quarterly. Then it says receive, get the best gear to your doorstep by the most elite folks in the world, and then operate. Put the gear on your kit, in your patrol car, or in your pocket to stay ready from Gotham to Baghdad. And that same saying is right here on the top of the box, Gotham Crate from Gotham to Baghdad. And yes guys, I already opened this up just to check out to see if anything was damaged, because as you can see, this box kind of arrived to me a little banged up. So I just wanted to make sure the contents inside were still good, just so this video wasn't a bust. But everything looked okay. I didn't go over anything, so some of the things in there still might be a surprise to me. All right, so let's open this up. And this is awesome. So I really love this artwork right here when you open up the box. And let me tilt up a little bit and check this out. I really love the presentation so far with this Gotham Crate. Now let me lift this up and we can get our first look at the contents of the box. So let me put this to the side and let's take out some of the swag here. Actually, it's not swag, it's just a bunch of postcards and it's like business cards. Actually, these are stickers right here, so that's pretty cool. And then right here is the cheat sheet, tells you everything that's in the box, but I'll go over that at the end of the video. Just more information on Gotham Crate right here. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna pull out of this box is a mask, which is very fitting considering the state of the world that we're in right now. Take this out, and I have more masks than I know what to do with, but I can always use more. And I can already tell this is pretty high quality. So you can see it has a woodland camo on the outside and then more of a desert sand on the inside. And yes, I am a fan of the masks that wrap around your ears. So far, this is pretty nice. I don't think this is one where I can actually interchange filters. I don't see a way to get inside here. It looks like it's just sealed. But yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, so let me put the mask to the side and let's take the second item out of the box here. And it looks like we have a black diamond carabiner. So once again, I have more carabiners than I know what to do with, but I don't have anything from Black Diamond. And this actually feels pretty heavy duty. So this weighs 87 grams, which is 3.1 ounces, according to the little label back here. And what's the weight capacity on this? It looks like it's 7 kilonewtons right there. So let me get this off of the actual packaging here. So I'll cut that. And it's got a really interesting locking mechanism right here. Looks like we have a couple tabs on the outside. So if we squeeze those together, then it releases the actual lever here. And no, I've actually never seen this system before. The carabiners that I have a little knob right here. So when you close it, the knob, you just twist it and it locks together. But this system right here looks just as sturdy. So if I accidentally press in one side, it still remains locked. You have to squeeze both sides in to unlock the mechanism here. So yes, I would definitely have this carabiner in my rotation at work. This is really nice. All right, so let's grab third item. I'm just gonna grab something small. Looks like silicone bracelet. What does it say here? No one fights alone. And then it has this milled line that goes all the way down the back of the bracelet. This is pretty cool. Let me actually put this on and I'll wear this throughout the rest of the video. All right, next, I know what this bad boy is, but I'm gonna save that for last. So let me take out these two items right here. And these look like some civilian handcuffs. So I'm actually going to look at the cheat sheet for this one. This is flex style cuffs. Used on the battlefield, these cuffs were used by SOF and contractors routinely for its functionality and packability. We realize you probably won't be doing snatch and grabs for 0 Dark 30, but having a set in your commuter bag or carry-on luggage is key. You may not be the person subduing an out-of-control passenger or worse on a commuter train. So yeah, if you have these packed away or even packed in your pocket, I mean, these things get real tiny. Check that out. What you want to do if you have these in your pack, if you have to subdue somebody, just put them on like so and then just slide this little tab all the way down and you can see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna lock myself in together. So there's two of these. These are actually really, really cool. I don't see myself using these in the future, but hey, who does? And it doesn't take anything to actually just fold this up, stick it in a pocket or backpack. So let me put these off to the side, and I think this is the last item in here. You can see a bunch of red shredded paper. And yeah, I think this is it. Save the best for last. Check this out. It is a G-Shock watch. So the really funny thing about this, I've been looking at Casio G-Shocks for probably the last year and never pulled the trigger. And my current EDC watch is this Dango Chrono, which I absolutely love, but I still wanted to get a G-Shock just based on my work. I'm always working around heavy equipment and my watches get banged up. And I know these things are darn near bulletproof. So I'm pretty excited to open this up. So let's check this out. So let's take this out of the box here, and it comes in a pretty nice tin can here. All right, let's take this out. Whoa, bunch of stuff in here. So just some foam. We have a G-Shock warranty card. Then we have an owner's manual here. Looks like this is the Casio model number 3263. I'll put that over here and let's get this out of there. Okay, some more foam and let's get this out of the plastic. All right, here we go. And as expected, this thing is a beast. I mean, look at the protection on this thing. I had no idea they're this heavy duty. It says right here on the front, G-Shock protection. Yeah, it still has the tag on it. So the tag says Casio GD100 1B, and it actually still has the price on it right there, 89 bucks. I'm gonna give you guys a nice close-up of this bad boy right here. Check this out, man. So it looks like we have some individual buttons on the side that do different things. So this one right here says adjust. This one right here says reverse. And we have our mode button right here. And then the button on the bottom here says forward. So what the heck do those do? Let me just press the forward button. All right, looks like I'm just changing the bottom numbers there. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, wow. Looks like this button right here kind of gives us a little LED backlight so we can see what the heck's going on in there. All right, this is absolutely awesome. So let me take this off, and I'm actually gonna try this on just so you guys can see what it looks like on the wrist. Off the Dango. All right, let's slap this bad boy on here, and yeah, I mean, everything I heard was 100% correct. This thing feels bulletproof, man. Look at this thing. This thing is awesome. Sometimes when I wear this, because it has full grain leather straps, it slides around a lot. And this material, whatever this is, this material feels like it's holding on to me pretty sturdy. So if any of you out there are familiar with this particular Casio G-Shock, let me know in the comments below and let me know what you guys think of this. Because upside down, because so far I know I just pulled it out of the box. I think I'm really gonna like this thing. All right, so now let's go over the cheat sheet here. So the Black Diamond Magnetron Carabiner. So the Black Diamond Carabiner is $29.99. The multicam courtesy face mask at $16.95 right here. And as you guys already know, the Casio G-Shock watch at $89.99. And then we have the flex style cuffs right here. There's two of them at $2.50 each. So everything you see here as a total comes out to be $141.93. And you pay $99.99 for this every 3 months. And just checking the box one more time, it looks like I missed one item. It's a Gotham Crate pen. So that's pretty cool. So I'll keep this off to the side where I keep all the rest of my pens. But going through the box again, I think that's everything that came in this crate. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of this quarter's Gotham Crate? Being my first time opening one of these crates, I'm actually pretty impressed. And I want to thank the guys over at Gotham Crate for getting a hold of me and seeing if I want to check one out. I mean, I legit wasn't lying when I said I've been checking these out for a year, and to pull one out of the box is pretty awesome. Couple that with a carabiner that I'll definitely put to use, a mask which I'll definitely use, and these flex style cuffs which hopefully I'll never have to use. And if you guys want to check out Gotham Crate for yourself, I will leave links below in my description box. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!